State asigi rangda hingsagi thabak hantahunduna tangdulai tawa puraknaba pandamda security force na lokalakba thabak singda tongan ba district mangadagi Yamlaba Nongmei Maru amasung bomb sing Phagatpa Ngamkhre Pangmi singi mamangda puthokna utkiba Phagalaba kulai sing adudi AK series ki rifle manga insast rifle ahum SLR tarataru 303 rifle manga pistol mapan carbine ani rifle mapan single barrel bore action Nongmei tarataru anti riot gun ani JVPC ama double barrel Nongmei ama bolt action Nongmei taru 2-inch mortar ama grenade mapan 7.62 mm ki kapayariba maru chonga kuntaro 5.56 mm ki kapayariba maru chaniga kungataro 303 ki kapayariba maru chamaga marifutara 9 mm ki maru taret 0.32 gi maru mari HC motor cell taro tube launching ani amasung IED mari ni masigi mathakta magazine nipumathoi amasung wireless handset taruk su phangmangamkhi hairiba Nongmei bomb amasung Nongmei maru singado ngasi ayo Imphal West Imphal East Thawal Kakching amasung Bisnupur gi tongan ba mafam singda Manipur Police Central Armed Police Force Army amasung Assam Rifles ki apunma team singna chathakiba coordinated operation singda phagalak mangamkhibani masiga loinana miyamna illegal amgi singi matang da thabak thoram sing thengnarabadi manak nakpa police station singda pau PBO miyamgi punsi amasung lanthum ngak senanaba security force na lokhalakliba thabak thoram singda miyamna mating pangbiu haina Manipur Police ki IGP intelligence ki kavipna miyamda appeal tawrakle.
Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of Imphal East, Imphal West, Thawal, Kakching and Bisnupur districts. The joint teams comprising the Manipur Police, Central Armed Police Forces and the Army and Assam Rifles recovered the following arms, ammunition, explosives and other warlike stores. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur Police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order, and safeguard the lives and property of citizens. The Manipur Police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the police and the security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to nearest police station or the central control room.